Hey, I'm Johnny with Upfit Supply, and today we are checking out this Holman partition for the RAM ProMaster. This, along with other Holman products, comes in the gray steel powder coat. It's super scratch resistant, very durable coating for the partition itself. You can see that this partition has a very deep offset, which is very convenient. It's gonna give the cab area a lot of room to recline their seats, move it forward and backwards if you're taller. Is not always the standard in all partitions, so this is what I would call what should be an industry standard for partitions to give that space for that cab area. We have this one outfitted with an accessory as well. This latch handle kit to open and close to easy access from the driver area to the cargo area. Super simple install, overall attaches to the attachment points that are on the cargo van itself. Up top along the B pillar and the bottom as well. This model has the perforated screen in the middle panel as well as the passenger panel to be able to see behind you, to see securely if your van has windows in the back, and be able to make sure you're able to keep an eye on the things in your cargo van. This one is outfitted with the handle kit, but without this handle kit, this would be one safe, secure wall to keep things safe for the driver from content shifting inside of your cargo van, but also keeping it secure from any kind of break-in attempt to keep people from being able to get into the rear area of your cargo van. You can find products like this and others at upfitsupply.com.